Today I'm going to show you how to get started in keto or to take your keto up to the next level with this free ebook that was put together by industry insiders, researchers, and doctors. And it gives you everything you need to know about keto and more. The do's and don'ts, the benefits of keto, how to get started with keto, what you'll need, and a day-by-day, step-by-step guide with all of the recipes, what to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and options for eating out. The recipes are broken down easily. Most of them are videoed. You can click on the video link and watch the actual making of the recipe. But you could also just follow the instructions. I want to show you what you're going to be eating on day one. So you're going to start with a waffle, or you could even have a pancake. And for dinner, you're going to have one of our favorite chicken dishes. It's barbecue chicken. And then for dessert, you're going to have these cookies, and you'll eat two and you'll freeze the rest of them for other recipes that we have within the guide. So here's another recipe of one of our favorites. It's burger bites, and you can see how easily these are laid out. And let me show you how to get this. It's super easy. Just go to the website, www.simplyketonutrition.com, click on ebooks, and we have a bunch of ebooks here. This is one of our cookbooks. You'll go down to the second one, which is Kickstart Keto, and you'll simply download the ebook, and that will give you everything that you need. Now, we've also got a recipe page that has about 50 to 60 recipes on it, and you just click recipes up top, and these are all laid out the same way, and many are videoed, and so you could find your favorite recipes and substitute those in for any of the days as well. This is one of our favorites, biscuits with the barbecue chicken. And it's simple as that, www.simplyketonutrition.com.